Use this meditation to make anyone you desire want you badly. This meditation is crafted to align your subconscious mind with the reality where your special person wants you so bad that they would do anything to be with you. Dive deep into this transformative experience and watch your desires manifest instantly. Now let's begin. They blush every time they see me. Their heart is filled with love every time they think of me. They smile every time they hear my name. They spend all of their time staring at pictures of me. They check me out all the time. They try to touch me all the time. They want our hugs to last longer. They dream about me constantly. They create opportunities to be near me. They are thinking about me at this moment right now. They feel a pull towards me. They are turned on all the time by the thoughts of me. They deeply desire me. They miss my presence all the time. They fantasize about being near me at this very moment. There is an undeniable attraction between us right now. They are always lusting after me. They only want me. They only crave me. We have the best chemistry and everyone sees it. They want us more emotionally and physically connected. They think I am too good to be true. They can't take their eyes off of me. They feel like I am a part of them. They can't sleep at night because they are thinking about me constantly. I am all they desire. I blow their mind instantly. They can't control their love feelings for me when they are around me. I take their breath away instantly. They go crazy over me instantly. They literally adore me now. They put me on a pedestal now. Their love for me drives them crazy. They can't get me out of their head. They want to wake up beside me every morning. I stole their heart. I have a great effect on them. I make them feel so good when they are with me. They forget all of their problems when they are with me. Just by looking at me, it drives them crazy. I drive them crazy every second, every hour, every day when they see me, hear me, touch me, feel me, kiss me. My voice drives them crazy. They crave for my touch so much. They desire every inch of me. I fill their heart with joy whenever they are thinking about me. They are completely love-struck with me now. They fell head over heels for me now. They are enthusiastically fond of me now. They are so infatuated with me that they keep talking about me to everyone. They are mine and will be mine forever. They are madly in love with me now. They spend all of their time fantasizing about me now. They have a very strong crush on me now. They are obsessed with me now. Each and every second I am in their thoughts now. They have butterflies in their stomach whenever they are thinking of me. Their greatest wish is to talk to me today. Their greatest wish is to see me today. Their greatest wish is to love me today. Their greatest wish is to love me now. They are crazy in love with me now. It's obvious that they are crazy in love with me. It's obvious that they hold me dear now. It's obvious that they appreciate my whole being now. I already have their heart now. Our hearts and souls are aligned now. I manifest them in seconds. I manifest them instantly. I feel them coming towards me right now. I naturally get all of their attention. They can't help but be drawn to me. I am always on their mind. I take their breath away. They think it's a privilege to just talk to me. They hate when I give my attention to someone else. They want to be the only one I focus on. Being with me feels like winning the lottery to them. They crave being the only one I care about. They want my attention all to themselves. They are obsessed with me. I'm the only one they want. The moment they see me, I become their favorite thought. I am the prize they are chasing. One glance at me and they are hooked for life. It is already done. Type, they only want me to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.